Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen with ISeeStarsQuilting.com, and I just got home from being out for a little bit, but I have to show you what I got in the mail today, and I'm so excited. I got my Ginger Quilter Quilting Box, my subscription box. I'm so excited. This one has been on my list to try for a long time, and I get to show you what's inside of it today. I'm so excited. Okay, so like I said, I just got home. This was in the mailbox, so I thought I would do a video really quick to show you what's inside the Ginger Quilter box. Now, this box has been around for a while. It's been on my list to try for a while. But here's the thing. I want to pace myself with these boxes, right? Because I like to find the ones that I like, the ones that have the right stuff in them, the ones that are at the right price point, and the ones that are worth me sharing with you, right? So here's the Ginger Quilter box. This is how much the Ginger Quilter box costs every single month to have delivered. They have lots of different options for you, and let's dive in to this month's box. All right, here we go. Beautiful box. Feels like a gift with the cute tissue paper. Oh, goodness. Already, I'm in love. Seriously, guys, do you see how cute he is? Do you see like his little stack of fabric and his pen cushion? Ah, he's adorable. I love him. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put him, but I'm guessing it's probably gonna be on my laptop. Okay, opening it up, here is the little pamphlet, which always is for me like the hardest part to read first, but it's important because it shows everything that is inside this box. And here we go. So we have an apron pattern by Villa Rosa Patterns. You know I love Villa Rosa Patterns. This is exciting. Okay, songbook, a new page by Fancy That Design House. We have a rotary cutter, a tea towel, a heart-shaped stroopwafel. Love the snacks. Let's dive into the goodies here, actually, because that's what we're wanting to see. We don't want to see pamphlets. So we have a nice 45mm rotary cutter. Looks like a good ergonomic designs right here. Fits nice and comfortable. Can always use a new rotary cutter. Okay, here is the pattern that they were talking about. The Amanda Jane 7-pocket work apron. 7 pockets, that's awesome. This might be like a good one to do for my while I am long arming, because I am constantly losing things while I'm long arming. That is a cute pattern. Yes, I love Villa Rosa designs. They are amazing with their patterns. Here's the heart-shaped stroopwafel. These are delicious. I actually got introduced to stroopwafels when we were on our trip in Europe last couple years ago, and they have been kind of an absolute staple in our house since then, because I love to have them with a cup of tea on random dates when I'm, you know, having a good day, having a bad day, just having a day. Okay, here is the beautiful tea towel that was on there. It has lovely little tassels on it. How pretty are those? I actually love this fabric. I have this fabric and I have used this fabric, but it is such a lovely, like, beautiful, simple design on this fabric, and it comes in so many different patterns, shapes, you know, designs, all of that, and they flow endlessly together. Look at how well these go together. I know they're from the same line, but like these cross-hatched patterns right here go perfectly with the butterflies because all of the colors match. And there's so many different designs with this songbook fabric that you can like literally just endlessly pair them together. So like that is an amazing box. I am very excited to finally have gotten a Ginger Quilter subscription box. Like, today's just a great day, y'all. It's a great day. And if you want to try out your own subscription with the Ginger Quilter subscription boxes, you're not going to be disappointed. I have heard endless wonderful things about the Ginger Quilter box for years now, and how fun they are and how consistent they are with good quality items, okay? And the Ginger Quilter herself, nothing but wonderful things about the company. Sometimes things get changed up a little bit, but it is always good stuff. So make sure you check out the link below to visit her site, check out the subscription boxes there, and get just as excited as I did when I saw that box on my front porch. It's a good day. It's a really good day. So I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing of the Ginger Quilter subscription box. I hope that you got just as excited with me, and that like my joyfulness just kind of like penetrated through the YouTube screen right now, so that you can be happy about fabric, because who doesn't want to be happy about some good fabric, right? I hope that you have a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Do something creative today that makes you smile. Do something creative that makes your heart happy, and do something that is just for you, okay? Take care of that little creative spirit inside your heart, and I'll see you next time. I'm Kristen with ISeeStarsQuilting.com. Have a great week. Bye.